How to focus on work when kids are on break. Hey everyone, welcome back to The Balanced Life. Today we're going to talk about a topic that's near and dear to many of us who work from home, and that's staying focused during school breaks when kids are at home. Trust me, I know the struggle. I raised 4 girls while I was building my business, and for about 8 of those years, I was also homeschooling. It can be intense, but fear not, I have some tips and tricks to share with you that will help you maintain your productivity and sanity during those challenging times. So let's dive in. First things first, it's crucial to set boundaries. Communicate with your kids about your work schedule and the importance of uninterrupted work time. Designate specific areas in your home, work zones, where distractions are minimized. This could be a corner of your living room, it could be a spare bedroom, but let your kids know that when you are in these areas, you are in work mode and need to focus. Having an open dialogue with your kids about your work schedule can help them understand why you need quiet time to concentrate. Next up, create a structured daily schedule that balances work time and quality time with your kids. Plan out specific blocks of time for work, breaks, and fun activities with the family. Having a visual schedule can help everyone stay on track and manage expectations. When I was working on writing a book, I would tell the kids their part was to get to bed on time and stay there. My part was to reach a particular word count each night. When we reached that goal a certain number of times in a month, we got prizes or special treats. If only one group of us, like the kids versus me, reached that goal, then only they got it. And I'm sorry to say that they won it many more times than I did. But a well-planned schedule ensures that most of your work hours while still carving out precious moments to bond with your kids. Technology is your friend when it comes to staying focused while working from home. Explore productivity apps to keep track of tasks and deadlines. Consider using noise-canceling headphones or white noise apps to block out distractions and create a conducive work environment. Harnessing the power of technology can help to minimize the distractions and maximize your productivity, even when your kids are at home. Finally, remember to be flexible and patient with yourself. Working from home with kids around is no easy feat, and there will inevitably be days when things don't go quite as planned. But be kind to yourself and practice self-compassion. Take breaks when needed, and don't be afraid to ask for help from your partner or a trusted family member. Embracing flexibility and patience is key to maintaining your sanity and well-being while juggling work and family responsibilities. So there you have it, folks. With a little bit of planning, some communication, and patience, you can stay focused and productive while working from home during school breaks. Remember, you've got this. If you found these tips to be helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to The Balanced Life for more content like this. Until next time, take care and happy working.